Today, I'll be doing my quiz review over this question. Essentially, we have this case, and the question says, according to this case, according to the decision and the reasoning for that decision, according to that information, lawyers' right to advertise their services is protected by what? So we have four choices to pick from, three of which are wrong, are incorrect, and one of which is correct. Our options are the Tennessee Supreme Court, the First Amendment, the U.S. Congress, and the broadcast media. So our method to answer this question effectively and efficiently is to click on this link to go to that case and to seek through all the information to find the right answer to this question. So if we go to that case right over here, we come to this page. And I know it's a lot to have to read through, but if we are diligent and reading and in seeking through to find the right answer, we can find it clear as day. And so if we start scrolling down, we see, section 1 is over here, historical background. We follow through section 2, and whenever we get to section 3, the supremacy clause, we can find the answer here. If we go down to this last section over here that begins with hence we bow to the opinion, if we keep reading that paragraph, we get to a section that says that the prohibition against advertising by lawyers violates the First Amendment to the Constitution of the United States. And what this says, it says that the prohibition violates the First Amendment. Therefore, the right to advertise their services is protected by the First Amendment. That's what this says. And if we go back to the question, it asks us, the right to advertise is protected by what? Well, if the case says it's protected by the First Amendment, that's our answer. We click this choice. We can eliminate this option. We can eliminate this option. And we can eliminate this option. We can pick the First Amendment, be confident that that is the correct answer, and we can move on to the next question.